Mastering ellipses, making the dots work in formal writing. Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're diving into an interesting aspect of English punctuation, the ellipsis. An ellipsis, those three little dots you often see in texts, can serve a number of functions. But we'll be focusing specifically on the appropriate use of ellipses in formal writing. Let's dive in. An ellipsis consists of three periods, or dots, in a row, and is used to indicate omitted words in a quote or a pause in speech or text. It's quite common in informal and creative writing. However, in formal writing, the use of ellipsis is much more restrictive. When you're drafting a formal document or academic paper, you must use ellipses correctly. Here are the key points. 1. Omitting text in quotations. An ellipsis is used when you're quoting someone and you decide to omit part of the original quote. Always remember to maintain the original meaning and don't misrepresent the source. 2. Avoid unnecessary use. In formal writing, don't use an ellipsis to indicate a pause or unfinished thought. This usage is often seen as too informal or even unprofessional. 3. Space between dots. The most widely accepted format in formal writing involves placing a space before and after each period in the ellipsis. For example, ... quote. 4. At the end of a sentence. If an ellipsis is used at the end of a sentence, it should follow the last word with no space, then a space, and then the next sentence. For example, she went to the market. ... She didn't return until evening. Let's address some common mistakes people make with ellipses in formal writing. 1. Overuse. Try not to rely on ellipses too much. Overuse can make your writing look disjointed or vague. 2. Misrepresenting a quote. When you're omitting part of a quote, ensure you don't change the original meaning. Misusing ellipses in this way can be seen as unethical. 3. Spacing. Don't forget to add spaces between your dots. The correct formal format is ... quote. That brings us to the end of our exploration of ellipses in formal writing. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of how to use this fascinating punctuation mark properly in your formal documents or academic papers. Remember, the key to mastering ellipses is practice. Keep writing, and you'll become a pro at using ellipses in no time.